Bura ma Westlands Timothy Wanyonyi Wetangula ema bende koro pod dhi ting'o otiko mar ODM yiero mabiro mochandwe mar 8. Mano ler mochiw kanyo to kod duond bura mar ODM kokalo winjruok mar jaod bura onogono kaachiel kod jalar kom onogo machielo Michael Gumo mabende koro nosewuok oko mar dhi laro kom ma kamano. Kaluwore kanyo kod jagoro put mar Azimio One Kenya mano Junet Mohamed ema oyango weche ma kamago kowacho ni mano winjruok moketi kaluwore kod ji ariyogo mosechung' kendo koro idwa ni mondo gine ni giketo kwe e wachno manicho osekelo achiedh nade ahinya. Sechego ma bende Junet olero ni aput maende noketi mar mondo yier jalo manyalo bedo jalup Raila Amolo Odinga timo tijgi ma ok dwa ni gidonjre kendo biro golo dwoko e yo mowinjore. Mano timore seche ma kweth mag jokanyo mag ODM moko Westlands ok mor kondamono mar chiwo otiko manomi Wanyonyi ka giwacho koro ni en wech gen yiero nosekethi kata welo no kendo dwa ni mondo tim welo manyien e bwo seche 12.
The counties, the negotiations that were going on in the county seats, and also as you are aware that Honorable Tim Wanyonyi, the current sitting member of parliament for Westlands constituency, had the intentions of running for the governor of Nairobi County. But after negotiations within Azimio La Umoja One Kenya coalition, it was decided that he goes back and runs in his constituency in Westlands. But there was also our candidate in the same constituency, Mr. Michael Gumo, who had participated in the nomination and who wanted also to run in that constituency on ODM ticket. But now the ODM party has done consultations chaired by the party leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and Mr. Michael Gumo has accepted to step down in favor of Honorable Tim Wanyonyi. And Tim Wanyonyi will be the candidate of ODM in the coming election 2022 to run on ODM ticket in Westlands constituency. So we wanted to share with Kenyans that matter has been sorted, and those people who have been waiting for a fallout, I wanted to tell them that today is not a good Sunday. It's the Sunday that belongs to the Lord, and that as ODM we are prepared now to join hands together, both our candidates here, Honorable Tim Wanyonyi and Mheshimiwa Michael Gumo, to make sure that this seat is retained by ODM in the coming election, as it were in the last.
Agreed as Azimio La Umoja One Kenya. It was a difficult process, Westlands, as a young candidate. So you've heard from our Director of Elections, and that matter is solved. So for now, for today, that's all I can say. And the rest, will know.
The political parties like ODM can manage to settle disputes that arise from the process of election. And this has been done very amicably, and all of us are happy. We know very well that this ODM is the strongest party in Nairobi, and we must maintain our position. And having come to this agreement, I think we are ready to go. As Tim Wanyonyi and all my colleagues, those who ran in Westlands, Mike Gumo here, there are others who are not here, but we have all agreed that we are going to support one position for the party to win and also for the